Hey guys, welcome back to Family's Best Crafting. Today we're making a handprint ox. These are the supplies you're going to need. A white construction paper, red construction paper, black construction paper, googly eyes, some scissors, some pencils, a black marker, glue, some brown paint, and a brush, and a regular piece of printer paper. First thing we do, we're going to paint our hand with our left hand, and if you have anything on your wrist, you should probably also roll up your sleeves if you have long sleeves, and I'm going to paint my left hand. You probably want a pretty thick coat, probably like this. And now we're just going to put it on there like so, a little bit higher but not too low, because we need room to do the other stuff on it. Okay. If you'd like, you can fill in the little spots that aren't filled in with some paint. Okay. Now we're gonna go let that dry. We're gonna just set it aside and let it dry. Paint to dry, I'm gonna do the horns, the eyes, the nose, and the hair. Okay, so we're gonna use the black construction paper and cut out like a hair. I have all these cut out already, so we're gonna start the horns, and I'm gonna use a glue stick and glue them on. You probably want to put it a little bit in there, quite a lot. Now we're going to put on the hair. Now let's put on the googly eyes. Now let's use a black marker and color the feet. Now let's color little nostrils. And now we're gonna put on the nose. And there's your finished product.